Alright, I'm going to review and unbox the Porsche Classic floor mats for G Series 911. This is for 84 to 89 Carrera 3.2s, and you can see they're from our friends at Pelican Parts out in California. Just got these in, so I'm going to unbox these and show you what it looks like. Alright, looks like we have all the proper Porsche control numbers. Land of origin, Germany, or as they say, Deutschland. Alright, let me pull the plastic off. Be right back. Okay, so first off we have the brackets, so these have to slide out of the seat and the track where the Allen key is. I don't know if it goes above it or between the seat and the bracket, like below the rail, and then an Allen key. So 4 of those. A little twisty to remove them. Those aside, get those in. Okay. Pull these stickers off. Alright, so here's a good look at it. It's a low cut pile. I'm not an expert at these. They're lighter, so I thought I had OEM mats in there before, but I had Lloyd's. Yeah, some sort of a fiber under. So these are the rears, which I really don't even need, but okay, so here's the driver. Okay, so we have embroidered Porsche. So it kind of stops at the base of the brake and clutch pedal and the accelerator pedal here. We'll see how they fit when I put them on. Same backing. Kind of a binding. They're lightweight. And the passenger side. So the Lloyd mat I have, like this part here goes way up into it. So I guess this is maybe the way the stock ones were. I don't know. And again, Porsche. And I'm going to go put these in right now. Okay, I'm on the way back, so I'm going to remove this one and the one on the other side and start here. Okay, so what may make it a little bit easier, just use one of these 6mm, loosen the Allen key. Sorry, it's a little dark here. Just loosen the Allen key, the gold one in the front. You'll hear as you loosen it, the bottom bracket. So if you've had your seat off before, you know this thing comes off, it'll just fall down in there, and then you know you may need to fish it out with a magnet if it really goes back in there. So it looks like the bracket fits between the rail of the seat and then the chassis rail. So I just lifted the seat up just a little bit, it'll flex a little bit, and then slide this in between. Hold on. And it could move forward and backward. So I'm not going to tighten it. I'm going to do the other side and then get the carpet positioned and then lock it in, and then I'll tighten it up. Yep. Stay tuned. Alright, so I test fitted it, and yeah, they fit pretty good. I'll show you when I get this in, but just a revision. So the gold hex, just loosen those a few turns. Don't let don't let that drop out. You don't need to do that. You'll be wasting your time. And on this side, I couldn't bend it enough up a little bit, so I had to go out back, and there's two in the back. On this side I had to loosen so I could get this rail up a little bit so I can fit the bracket in. Once you put the brackets in, it'll block access to this. So that's why I just loosen them, don't let it drop. I'm gonna go put those back in and get this going. I'll show you how it fits on the driver's side. All right, all done. All right, so here's the back. I took out the original mats that were there. So there's nothing under here, but they fit pretty good. So, and no one ever goes back there. So I'm just gonna go with that. And back here, so I have my little fan here, so you can't see most of it. But yeah, there's the embroidery. I tighten everything back up in here. Yeah, so this bracket kind of goes straight out. Like I said, it goes between the rail and then the mounting boss on the chassis. And then this one on the inside on both driver and passenger, you got to angle it in and then twist the lower mounting boss so that it's even with this oval cutout, and then you can kind of get it in there. So that's passenger. We'll come around to the driver. I don't think I've adjusted this one yet, but it's tightened. Okay, driver's side. So there it is. I have the numeric pedals in here. So it goes up to the base, covering those 10 millimeters. It's clear of the base of the clutch. So that looks pretty good. And then the other mounting bracket, like I said, on the other side, you can see it here. You got to bend it. Well, you don't have to bend it, just rotate it inboard. You rotate it in before you tighten it. Okay, so fits good. And I have a branded logo floor mats. And that'll do it. So just to recap, just try and loosen the front two. See if you can get the bracket underneath. Don't let the bottom square bracket or the nut fall out. Loosen the fronts. If you can bend it up a little bit, get the floor bracket in, then tighten it back up. If not, then come back here. There's two in the back, 6 millimeter. Just loosen those maybe a turn, and then see if you can get it in. And that will make the install go from 20 minutes to, because of my foolishness, to maybe 10 minutes. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and happy Porsche motoring. Bye.